So hello, so there was a mistake in the previous calculation we did earlier. So here we want to do the correction. If you look at this mixed fraction, it's supposed to be 2 times 1 2 plus 3 5 all over 2. So this is actually supposed to be 2, not 4. So we need to correct this particular error here. So this is supposed to be 2. So when the division is not converted to multiplication, this is supposed to be what? 2 here. So at this point, 4 times 2 is supposed to be 8. So we need to correct this. So the LCM here is 10. So 2 in 10, that is 10 divided by 2, that is 5 times 1 5. And 10 divided by 5, that's 2. 2 times 8, 16. So this is supposed to be 16. Minus 5 plus 16. So that's what? Minus plus 11. So 11 all over 10 is also an improper fraction, and we need to convert it to a mixed fraction. So that will be one whole number, that is 10 in 11 1 remainder 1 all over 10. So this is the correct answer now for that particular error that we made. Thank you. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification button so that when we drop videos you'll be notified. Thank you.